So this is our first little dinghy ride. Look at that sexy girl over there.
Looking good. Let's take a cruise around the boat and just kind of show you guys. I think we mentioned it before, that island that we anchored off here is used to be Club Med. Maybe most part of the island was probably all Club Med. It's been abandoned. And gonna drive around the boat, take a video for you guys. We're very proud of her. And then we gotta go back to shore and put on those solar panels this week so we can be more independent. Beautiful mountains here in Montenegro. It's quite scenic country actually. People are quite nice here. They're a little rough, but very, very honest people. She is a beauty.
Done a lot of work on her.
Yeah.
Let's see. Solar panels and a water maker.
People may not even recognize her.
And we start with the solar panels today. And the water maker is not such a high priority since we're cruising in Europe and there's marinas pretty much everywhere where you can pull in and fill up your water tanks, but we are still planning on adding one anyway. So there's our beautiful girl. Look at that nice cabin window there, ocean view. Nice cabin window there. Always have an ocean view. Or sometimes shore. Our new sail bag made by Miho. We still haven't completely configured it and straightened it out, and we still don't even have the mainsail hanged on, but we're gonna get there soon. And Eric is still seating the new engine
Still
here.
breaking into the outboard here. I think by tomorrow we can finally go on plane with the dinghy.
Think we can get her up to a plane tomorrow, huh? That soon. That's awesome. Look at these majestic, ginormous mountains of Montenegro.
Oh, Navarre in the background. That's where we had the boat for wintertime. Right there. Nice dry dock area, work area. They do good work over there. We highly recommend Navarre here in Tivat, Montenegro. Okay, honey, breakfast time, and then we gotta go get started with this solar panel project. The water is okay. I went for a swim already.
Too cold for this girl. Stay tuned.